not going to let us cross for a while.
Yeah, we're in trouble. I think you guys need to go to Radio City because I'm not going anywhere, guys. I think you need to go over here and tell them what's happening. That Radio City.
A chaotic scene in Midtown Manhattan at 51st and Avenue of the Americas, 6th Avenue. Some sort of helicopter may have crashed, but right now they are just blocking off roads every which way. Of course, it's pouring rain. A lot of confused tourists around here and also business people trying to get around, and a full force reaction response from emergency responders here in New York City. We're going to see if we can try and get a better angle of what's happening with this scene.
When I first looked out, there was a significant flame coming off the top of the building. Right before that, I had heard what sounded like a helicopter. I don't know if it tried to land up there, if it was coming by to look at what's going on the roof. Couldn't tell.